Hi there and welcome to today's video look at the 7 deadly sins of Agile. Let's jump straight in. Sin 1. Pride. The overconfidence trap. In the Agile realm, pride often disguises itself as overconfidence. Teams might believe that their Agile badge grants them immunity from meticulous planning. However, diving headfirst without a roadmap can lead to chaos. Remember, Agile is not about abandoning planning, it's about adaptive planning. Overconfidence can result in misaligned objectives, miscommunication, and a derailed project. It's always wise to balance confidence with humility and foresight. Sin 2. Envy. Copycat syndrome. It's natural to look at successful teams and want to emulate them. But envy can lead teams down a path of imitation without understanding. Each Agile team has its unique dynamics, challenges, and strengths. Copying another team's strategies without tailoring them to your context can lead to inefficiencies. Instead of turning green with envy, focus on understanding the core principles and adapting them to your team's needs. Sin 3. Wrath. Blame games. When sprints don't go as planned, frustration can lead to wrath. Instead of uniting to find solutions, teams might splinter, casting blame. But in Agile, collaboration is the heart of success. Pointing fingers erodes trust, a foundation of Agile methodologies. When challenges arise, it's crucial to foster a culture of understanding and collective problem-solving. Sin 4. Sloth. Ignoring the retrospective. Retrospectives are the mirrors in which teams can reflect on their actions. Sloth creeps in when teams, feeling complacent, skip this introspection. By sidelining retrospectives, teams lose out on growth opportunities. Regular reflection ensures continuous improvement, helping teams evolve and adapt. Sin 5. Greed. Overcommitting. In the race to deliver, greed can push teams to bite off more than they can chew. Overcommitting might seem like progress, but it can lead to burnout and subpar work. Agile emphasizes sustainable development. Recognizing the team's capacity and focusing on delivering quality is paramount. Sin 6. Gluttony. Too many meetings. Communication is the lifeline of Agile. But gluttony manifests when teams drown in a sea of meetings, leaving little time for actual work. Every meeting should have a clear purpose and add value. Streamlining communication ensures that teams remain productive and engaged. Sin 7. Lust. Chasing every new tool. The tech world is brimming with tools promising to be the silver bullet for Agile woes. Lust can lead teams to hop from one tool to another, seeking the perfect fit. But constant switching can disrupt workflows. It's essential to assess tools based on actual needs, ensuring they align with the team's goals and processes. When embarking on an Agile journey, it's essential to be aware of these 7 sins. By recognizing and addressing them, teams can navigate the Agile landscape more effectively, ensuring successful and sustainable project delivery. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your colleagues and friends to spread the knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on Agile and project management. Your support helps us create more informative content for you.